All right. Hey guys. So I know it's been a while since you've seen my face. Believe it or not, making these videos are quite difficult. So the month that we're in is Black History Month. And if you haven't noticed, our projects have been centered on African American artists. And so our next project, it's going to be about Alma Thomas. So we're going to go over a couple of facts about her, and then I'm going to show you what we're going to do with this next project, okay? So here we go. All right, so currently I am sharing my PowerPoint lesson on Alma Thomas. And so what you're going to notice is that Alma Thomas is really into abstract art. So she's an African American artist. She was also a teacher, and she worked and lived in Washington, D.C. So some of you guys may have heard of Washington, D.C. If you haven't, then we should probably do a lesson on Washington, D.C. All right, so her artwork is also known for being abstract and colorful. So in her paintings, you will notice that she will use these big chunky brush strokes that are really colorful, and it doesn't really represent anything in particular. So when we're talking about abstract art, we are focusing on color, shape, and forms. We have talked about color and shape in the fall. And when we start talking about forms, we're talking about shapes beginning to become something that looks like we can hold it. It has more than just shape, it has height, and it has width, and it has depth. Okay, so abstract art really, a lot of times, it doesn't look like anything in particular, but some artists will make abstract art that resembles something, but it may not actually be that thing. Okay, so what you're going to need for this project is 2 sheets of white paper. You're going to need a pair of scissors. You're going to need a glue stick, and you're going to need something to color with. So that is why I put down markers, crayons, color pencils, whatever you have. Even if you have paint, this will work. Okay, so here are the directions, and then I'm actually going to show you in a video how to do that. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is cut the first sheet of paper into 3 parts. Each of the 3 parts are going to have its own color. So if you want to do blue, green, red, go for it. You're going to see in my video, I chose purple, red, and green. You're going to cut all of those colors into little tiny strips, kind of like this. And they're going to look like little squares. So I have some red ones. I have some purple ones. I think my video makes them look kind of blue. And then I have some green ones, okay? Once you do that, you are going to take the other sheet of paper and draw a circle in the middle. I chose to start off with my green. So I made a green circle in the middle of my other sheet of paper. And then I began to glue everything down in a circular pattern, okay? So I want you to watch the rest of the video. It's gonna be time lapse, so it's gonna be a little fast, but you'll be able to see the process, okay? And look for all those things I asked for you to do. All right, guys, I hope you have fun working on this Alma Thomas project. Have a wonderful day.